How's it going, everyone? It's Astro, and we are back. Today is going to be a video on how to upgrade your NFT miner, whether it be using Google Pay, GMT, Apple Pay, crypto, whatever, so be it. There's a few different ways you can go about doing this. You can literally just go to the GoMining main menu. It'll bring you to your miners. You can click on upgrade, or in this corner you can click upgrade. You can also go to your dashboard, click upgrade or upgrade. We're just going to go through the easiest way. Just go to the home screen, click on upgrade here, and it gives you a select options of $39.99, $99.99, $24.99, and $499.99. All different terahash packages. It tells you, well, it doesn't give you the exact number, which I would like. It just tells you how much it'll bring it up to. But it does tell you your additional pool payout, your additional reward for all of them, essentially. You can choose whichever one you want. If you feel like being a baller and doing the $500 one, click on your next. You go to your region, whatever region you're in. Or if you're paying by crypto, you can use your virtual wallet. You can pay with Gate, you can pay with Coinbase, you can pay with Binance, or Toncoin, or Bitcoin, or USDT, or just GoMining in general from another wallet. Same thing with efficiency. You have your packages of $39.99, $99.99, $24.99. Sorry, $249.99. Caught my error there. And $49.99. Too many nines. Shows your additional electricity fee and how much it is reduced by. So your additional reward is 27 cents, sorry, and your electricity fee is reduced by 0.000027 Bitcoin. Or if you want, you can choose a custom number, whichever one you want. You can fully max it out, bring your rate to 15 watts per terahash. Same thing with the power. You can bring it all the way up. You get 5,000 terahash. But for today, I'm just going to be upgrading up from this odd number to 115 terahash. And I'm going to be using my GMT that I got from my personal rewards. So I'm going to click on buy crypto. We're going to go all the way down to the virtual GoMining wallet. We'll click pay. And it tells you your amount there. Are you sure you want to upgrade the mine box? Yes. And there, I have successfully upgraded it from 114.41 terahash to 115 terahash. As easy as that. And because of this, you can see down here, I've been entered into the raffle for a chance to win a hero. I'm going to do another video later on what a hero is, / avatar, / I forget the other name for it. Something miner. But yeah, upgrading your Bitcoin miner has honestly never been easier. Saves you so much more time than having to purchase another miner online, wait for it to come in, set it all up. Too much of a hassle. This is literally a few clicks of a button. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 5 clicks of a button, and you've upgraded your miner. Easy as that. So yeah, until the next video, everyone have a good one, and enjoy mining. And don't forget, the referral code is in the description. You can start mining for as low as $26.99.